Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today we're going to be, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be decorating in The Sims. Now, it's miserable out here today, like it's raining, it's windy, it's like 7 o'clock in the evening. And I was in the mood for some Sims, and like more so decorating it, because it's like one of my favorite things to do is decorating The Sims. And also, I mean, I don't know if you care about this or not, but if you're interested in interior design, or you want to do interior design, and you're like a student, or you're in school and you're thinking about doing it in the future, honestly, like The Sims is such a good like tool to use, whether it be like working out floor plans or styling. Like it's such a fun platform to use to, like, you know, practice, which is why I like it. And also it's a game, so like there's no rules. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this. So, as you might already guess, like I bought a few expansion packs in The Sims. Yes, it's that stage of lockdown where I'm buying Sims games. No, but like seriously, like the reason I bought them is to come with like new worlds and stuff, and like new furniture, and you know, it means more variety of these videos. So which is, you know, for some reason, like these videos are really weird. They obviously take a long time to film, because I have to like decorate a full house in the game and then like export it, whatever. But like they're actually like the easiest videos to edit. Like it's literally just overlapping two files together, bing bada boom, we're done. I'm saying like it does take like a couple, 2, 3, sometimes 3.5, 4 hours, depending on like the size of the video. But like they're the easiest of my videos to edit, so I like doing them when I have a few projects in the works, just to kind of like fill up the space a bit. And also, like, most of you seem to really like these videos, and I like them too. And I actually really love this house. Now, I'm doing here now is, as you can see, I completely bulldozed all the walls in this home because the flow just like wasn't right at all. Like it wasn't hitting me right. And it's a small, like, kind of it's a small family home. Like there's only 2 bedrooms. Like I wanted to make the floor plan downstairs a bit more open plan, because I had the space to do it. And like I feel like all the rooms, it was just like, I don't know, like it was very lonely. So I obviously added an island. Like islands are like my favorite thing to add in kitchens, because they're just like amazing. So I added in an island, and like I love like when things look built in, like especially like because it's easier to do it in real life, because you can get really specific and custom with everything you put into your space. But like The Sims, there's obviously like restrictions, so like I like using walls as like a tool to kind of make it look like it's built in and more custom to the actual home and the person who's going to be inhabiting it. And I mean, it's not like open floor plan. Like there's still like, you know, kind of little kind of areas, and every area is like kind of differentiated in a way. But I just wanted you to be able to come in, you'll see the staircase right in front of you. You can go left and you're in like the living room, like where all the family will be, or you can go in here and you're in like the kitchen dining area. Like there's like, and you can go straight ahead out the back door. Like there's like a rotation, like, so there's a circular motion, so you can really like, there's no really like, you know, like, you know, am I making any sense? Probably not, but like that's what I mean. And like I would love to have done like kind of like a passway here, like almost like a built-in kind of oven situation, but like I mean, I couldn't get it to look right, so I just gave up. I have a few like really exciting projects actually coming up, guys. I have a few more DIY videos. I haven't done a DIY video in months, like months, let me tell you. But there is a few DIY videos coming up, because I don't know, I've just been very inspired recently, and like there's a few things I want to create and then show you how to create at home, because like it's just because like what else would you be doing? Like we're all stuck at home, so I want to give you things that you can be doing as well. But oh yeah, I love like a round table. Like I love a round dining table. I don't know, like it's something about it that feels more like communicative. Is that anyone who's like into grammar or English are actually like just exit out of the video right now, they have. But like it's more kind of social, I think. a round table because like you can see everyone. Like it feels like a square table, like everyone's kind of like, people beside you are kind of like in your peripheral vision, but like when it's round you can see them more clearly and it's easier to turn and you can see everyone. And also like anything that's on the table, everyone's like the same distance from everything, so it's just a nice like experience. Oh, I love these floors. I haven't done like white floors in like a design ever, because I don't know, like I've never been able to find the right space for it, but like I really liked it in here because it wasn't too open that like it didn't look like just like a light from the floor. It was like nice, and like also I wanted to keep almost some elements of the previous home, because this house, this area is like it's kind of by the beach, but like also it's not at the same time. So I did want to put in like some like nautical elements to it, but also, you know, adding it, keeping it a bit more luxurious, you know, because this like location like is very like, it's not like, it doesn't look like it would be a cheap location to live in, I'll say that much. Like it looks like it's kind of like upmarket, a bit like middle class, upper middle class kind of section. So I did want to keep that luxury kind of element in the actual home, but like with some more kind of traditional and rustic touches to it. And like also like, guys, just ignore all the rugs that are placed in this home, because the Sims, they have the worst selection of rugs like ever. So just like bear with me with the rugs. Oh yeah, I was gonna add these two like wall sconces here. I just thought they were really cool, like, you know, like they can pull out and stuff. But then I was like, when you're actually making food and stuff, will they get in the way? And like I didn't really know if they would or not, because it's not real life, so I can't actually like, you know, test them out and move them and stuff. So I ended up getting rid of them because like I didn't want like that, like, you know, my clients to be annoyed. I love these little lights. They're kind of like just I don't know how to describe that style, but like, see the way I mean here, like you have the kitchen and there's like that pathway through into like the kind of porch area going out to the back garden, and then it passes into like, there's a bathroom and then the living room, and you can walk all the way back around. I love, like, there's nothing better than like a home that has a good flow. Like it's actually like, you could literally have like the most basic of furnishings, but like if your home has a good flow, like you're winning. Like that's all you need, like, because that's the most expensive thing to fix in a home, is like the floor plan and like how everything moves together. So like that's something you need to get right like first off, and before you even like start putting things in. And like when I'm like designing like this, I normally like kind of do areas at a time, and then they kind of flow into each other, because like you never really know how much space you're going to need for like, your countertops and stuff like that. So I like to kind of do them individually and, you know, pull and, you know, like, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So like, I don't know if you know this, but I'm about to hit 1.5 thousand subscribers on here, and like I actually can't deal, and like numbers aren't like the most important thing to me. Like they're not, like I like, it's so funny, like it's the reason why I love doing this is because whenever I post a video, it could be like a reaction video, or like doing this, or like a room transformation I done, the thing I look forward to most is talking to people in the comment section, like talking to you, or like I have like, there's people who like I always recognize when they pop up on my screen, like that always like comment and like engage and like discuss, because I love like discussing what I've just done in the video. Like, you know, so say it be like a reaction video to some celebrity's house, I love when you are in the comments being like, oh, I don't know about that, I didn't really like this, oh, I love this, oh, you're right here. Like I love like that, like communicating and like discussing it, because like literally like that's like one of the best things, because oh my god, like actually like it makes my day. Like it actually does. Like it's, I literally do that, I would do that like 24/7, is just sit and like read comments and reply to them and talk, because I love like just talking about this, like design, and like whether it be fashion or interiors or like anything. Like I just love it. Like it's actually like my favorite thing to do, and like I never had this until like this year. Like last year, like I get a few comments, but like it wouldn't be like anything like consistent, or like I wouldn't have, it wasn't like now I feel like I almost have friends like that come to my channel and like talk with me. Like it's really like wild and bizarre, but like it actually like it's like it makes me so happy. So I just want to say thank you also for that, for every single person that comments on my videos, because you actually make my day, my day, my like life, my year. Like you make it. But like as I was saying, like I'm about to hit like 1.5 on here, and like it's crazy because last year, like it's just like it's unbelievable. I would not have thought like I was gonna hit that like this soon this year, like, which is amazing. And I have some really big plans for, because I've been doing like some like calculations and predictions going forward, and there's something that I'm going to do that I don't think has been done before. But like if it has, like I'll have to like look it up and like give whoever done it first the credit. But like I think it's something new that no one has done before. So, but that will be like for another few months. So you're gonna have to bear with me on that one. But like, oh yeah, this is the living area. I love the living area. It's not just like the cutest area ever. Like it's so like there has like that traditional like fireplace that's been there like all this time, and then that like fan above it and the pop of yellow. Like I just love this floor plan so much. Like I actually love it so much. Okay, that's fine. I thought I was gonna run out of time there for a second, but I'm not. Love it. Like I just love how everything works so well together. Like you have the black wood in the kitchen, and there's also in the living room, and you have the black art, and then like the black, like everything just like works so cohesively together. And like I didn't even notice that with the lemons, that the yellow in the kitchen, the yellow in the dining room, and the yellow in the living room. And I'm not much of like a matchy kind of person, but like it just seemed to work out that way. That was perfect timing. Oh my god, I just finished my sentence and it had stopped the recording. Wow, that is amazing. Like that never happens. I normally halfway through a sentence and then like the recording's over. I'm like, oh, okay. That was me decorating The Sims. I love it. It's such a cute little family home, like, or even not if like just like a little cute little house. It's a cute little house. But I really hope you enjoyed this, guys. Please don't forget to leave all your thoughts down below. And before you go, if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And well, I mean, like we're uploading like most Mondays now as well. Like I mean, it's rarely I miss a Monday. So yeah, it's 3 times a week. 3 times a week. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.